It's a new dawn, it's a new day, and today I'm gonna do a off-road review of the Royal Enfield Himalayan. Alright, we were riding, Laura and I. Laura on her Versus 650 and I am on my dad's Himalayan, whatever. And we came across this off-road section, so now is the time to test out the difference between the Himalayan and the CB500X. I already know the standing position on the Royal Enfield is way more relaxed than on mine, so yes, let's do this. Kom zo. Ik kan me precies niet herinneren. Rustig. Alright, that footage was from 2 days ago. I came back alone to do some more because it was getting dark and my batteries ran out, so let's continue this lovely little off-road track. I'm going to attempt something a little bit more advanced. I'm going to try to climb up this little steep hill behind me and ride it and then back down, but it's It's not easy because there is all this tree stuff that's coming out of the ground, so I'm gonna be careful. Wow, I'm sweating. Just when I decided to do something cool, my main camera stopped working. I mean, the battery is out, so yes, here I am. I climbed this very steep hill. I did it, and then I had to lay the bike down because the side stand is too high and I wanted to film, so I had to just lay it down. Sorry, Dad. No worries, it's just softly putting down and softly picking it back up, so it's gonna be fine. So the rest of this footage I'll have to capture just in first person on the GoPro. So let's do this. Alright, so step one, pick it back up. Alright, it was not in first gear, so I'm glad it didn't roll down, but I had to brake pretty fast. So okay, let's go down this little elevated pathway. This is what I meant with all the roots of the trees coming out. Alright, so do this real slowly. On the left side I have my footing, on the right side I don't. So I'm just gonna lean a bit to the left and get by these trees. Alright, going good, going good. Now just don't slip here. Did it. So proud of myself. Wow, it's really scary. Probably it doesn't look like it on the GoPro, but it's really steep and it's really easy to fall with all these things getting me out of balance on the ground. So this is just a descent left. Alright, nice, nice, nice. Turn back. Nope. Let's take this easy. Very cool, this little track. Shame I don't have my camera anymore, because this looks way more cool when you look at it from afar, but it'll have to do. Alright, it's very nice. Turn back here. The Himalayan actually gives me a lot of confidence to do this. I would not be doing this with my CBX. And not to this extent anyways. I would be holding back. And now this is my limit, I guess. I'm not really a pro at this, I'm just a daredevil. at the pathway. Maybe I should have gone up here. Would have been better, I think. Okay, let's go down then. Oh, that was scary again. Alright, so I'm passing some people. Most of the time it's okay, but some people don't like it. Whoa, damn, that was fun. Alright, I think that's enough for today. Alright, let's go get the camera. Really nice neighborhood here. There's horses over there. And here's my treasure. Very nice. Alright, let's head back. Nope. Slippery. Very slippery. Nope. I think it's time for a break. Whew, I made the rookie mistake of not bringing water, but I did bring a sandwich. Look at that nice sandwich. It's called a sauce préparée. I don't know how it's called in English. Like kind of a meaty sauce with vegetables. Cheers! Very good. So what do I think about the Himalayan going off-road? Well, I'm pleased to say I'm very happy with it. It gives me a lot of confidence. The suspension is really nice. The tires are okay. I can feel some slipperiness, but they're not like really off-road tires. They're just 50-50, so they're good enough. I would not attempt this on my Honda CB500X. Or maybe I would, but I would be very careful and way more slow. And that bike just doesn't give you the confidence to do stuff like this, like the advanced stuff. It may not look like it, but when you're like 3 or 4 meters up in altitude and you make one wrong move and you just fell over, so it's really scary. But the Himalayan does a good job. So yes, the Himalayan gets my seal of approval of going off-road. Alright, so I ate my sandwich. Now I'm gonna head back home, and I think there is a little bit of off-road left on the road home, so let's go.